Hello and welcome to another episode in our tips and tricks series. In these episodes we want to show you the little tips and tricks that we found along the way to help you make your build look bespoke and that much different to everybody else's. So in this one today we're going to be focusing on the front indicators. So as you can see here, the BMW front indicator mount is rather large and a little bit of a monstrosity. It is that big to enable the front indicator to be seen either side of the fork. Our solution is the Urban GS oil cooler cover. The Urban GS has their indicators mounted here on the forks, and due to that BMW have made a nice neat cover to top off the top of the oil cooler. We saw an excellent opportunity there to fit indicators to that, a nice compact modification that really adds that bespoke touch to your motorbike. It works with either the Kellerman front indicator or the Motor Gadget 10's front indicator. One is an M5, you want to be drilling that out to a 5mm hole, or the other one is an M8, you're going to be wanting to drill that out to a clearance hole of 8mm. With the 10's, the Motor Gadget 10's indicator, you need to be careful of clearance on the back edge as to where the lip fits within amongst the oil cooler fitment at the very top there. To remove the cover, you need a T25 Torx socket and ratchet. It's not particularly tight bolt, so it'll come out very easy. Something to be wary is on the back here you've got an edge which clips on at the back. It's a little bit fiddly to get to, but a little flat blade screwdriver with a little bit of pressure underneath will pop that off, and then you'll then see underneath is left with the cable. The cable is then cable tied to the frame and then runs up just underneath here. You'll need to remove the tank to get to the plugs properly. So moving on to the oil cooler cover. This is a BMW product, as I mentioned earlier, as fitted to the Urban GS. Please see the text below for the BMW part numbers for the left and for the right. They are handed. Pop down to your local BMW dealership and grab yourself one of those. Once you've got it on, you'll then see that you'll need to find a centre line 10mm from the bottom and 10mm in from the front edge. At that point you then have your drill hole, add a pilot, and then once you've done your pilot hole you either want to go M5 for the Kellerman or M8 for the Motor Gadget 10's. It is a really good modification. We've done a little bit more of an in-depth video on the Kellerman and the Motor Gadget indicators. Please keep an eye on our feed for that video. It gives a little bit more detail as the choice of why we'd either go the Motor Gadget or the Kellerman, as they have ever so slightly different features for either more modern or nostalgic. I hope that that helps you. It's a really good modification that we highly recommend, and it's one of our tips and tricks. Thank you very much. See you next time.